Hello students. So today we are going to see one of the lesson of our supplementary book Footprint Without Feet. And the title of the lesson is also Footprint Without Feet. It is a little bit funny because the name of the lesson and the name of the book both are same. But in this lesson, what else we are going to see? Actually, this lesson is an extract taken from a novel, and the name of the novel is Invisible Man. So here in this lesson we are going to see the story of an invisible man. So here the invisible man is a scientist, and the name of the man or scientist is Griffin. So here the story starts. The two boys in England, it all happened. So what happened? Two boys, they just noticed only the footprint on land, and when they just started following it, they could not see anyone. And after some time, when he was walking on mud, that time it was visible, and as he came on a solid form, the footprints were lost. So the boys were astonished and surprised. And this man Griffin, he was just making a soluble, a kind of formula he was preparing which can help a man to be invisible. And just to check it out, he just drank some part of it. And as he has drunk, he found that he was totally invisible. And now he was not having any other option to come back in the real form. So that was a tragedy with him. Now he could not return in the real form. So after some time, what happened? He was not able to be visible. Therefore, he started stealing. He started robbery and this all thing. And this man was already short-tempered man. Actually, short-tempered means one who gets angry very fast. So this man was a short-tempered man, and he was already getting angry because he was not able to be in his own form. His body has become invisible. So he was too much tense. So he started stealing here and there. So it was difficult for him to survive in that country or the city of England. And why it was difficult for him? Because if he actually England, it is very cool area, and in winter we can see that it is too much cold, and a man cannot live naked or without clothes, because Griffin started stealing here and there. He became a thief, so he was stealing here and there. But when he does not wear any clothes, that time his body was invisible. But as he wear clothes, he will be visible. So what happened? This man had to live naked without clothes. And why he had to live? Because he wanted to save himself from others. Because he was stealing, police was behind him. So this man, now because of cold, it was difficult for him to survive in the city. So what he did, he just thought to escape from the city and settle somewhere where nobody was knowing him. So for that, he had to come in his real form, but his body was invisible. So he went to a theater. And why did he go there? Because he wanted to get some of the items like fake nose, wig, so that he can put it on his face, and the people may think that he is visible. Other remaining part he can cover with the cloth. So he went there and he has taken the fake nose, lips, hair, everything, wig. So now he just used those whole things and he went out of that city, and he came in a village, and the name of the village is Epping. So there he reached to Mrs. Hall, because Mrs. and Mr. Hall, they were running a small inn. Small inn means we can understand it by saying a small restaurant or small hotel where one can live. So this man went there and he started living there. So in the beginning when he went, so he had stolen money from somewhere, and he just went and paid advance. So Mrs. Hall was also very happy that she got advance money, and now this man was totally enjoying there. But because Mrs. Hall was also happy, because in that winter nobody used to come there, and this man had come and he had paid in advance also. So Mrs. Hall was also happy. So after some time, when this man was leaving there, he just made Mrs. Hall understand that he was a scientist and he does not want any kind of disturbance. He will be living in his room and he wants only lunch and dinner on the time. So Mrs. Hall just helping him to get the things properly. One day he just left the room open. The door was little bit left open and nothing was visible. Actually that man was outside, and that day something unique happened. Nearby there, clergyman house was there. Clergyman means one who works in a church. So this man has stolen some money from them and he returned. And so this Mrs. Hall, that thing was a little bit shocking, because it was a small village. Everybody came to know that somebody has stolen money from clergyman's house. So what happened? This man was in doubt, because this lady, when she went there, she found the door was open, and when she peeped inside, she could not see anyone inside. So next time also she went in the room and she found that furnitures were moving here and there. So this lady was afraid too much. Why? Because she thought that this man who was calling himself scientist, Griffin, he must have done something that was against her only. So she was a little bit shocked and she had doubt on this man. And she also asked for the fare and the money. So he had given some money because he had stolen it from somewhere. And this Mrs. Hall, when first time she asked, that time he said that I am going to get a check and that time I will pay. And now next day himself he is paying. So Mrs. Hall also had some doubt that this man must have stolen the money from clergyman's house. So now this man was totally living, enjoying, and he was thinking that nobody knows about him. And when he was in room, that time he keeps himself free and free from clothes, and he moves here and there, so nobody is able to see him. Whenever he moves chair, when once Mrs. Hall went inside, the chair was moving up and down because he was sitting on the chair and it was moving. So Mrs. Hall was afraid. After some time she got some doubt, so she called the constable. Constable name of the village is Jeffo. So she just called out and said that this man I have doubt on. He must have stolen the money from clergyman house, and other whatever robbery has taken place in the village must be done by this man only. So when this man was inside the room, that time Mrs. Hall came along with some of the villagers, and they have called constable also. By the time constable came there, this lady told that you are the thief, and she started putting up some of the questions. Where were you this time? Where were you then? So this man did not like, Griffin did not like that anybody questioned him. So he was very, very angry. He said that she is asking, and he said that you do not know who am I. And he started removing the things, the fake nose, the wig, everything he started removing. And as he started removing, only the part of the body which was covered by the cloth was visible and remaining part was invisible. So everybody tried to catch him. But as soon as they came near to him to catch him, he removed the cloth and now no one was able to see him. He was totally invisible. At that time they understood that this is the only man who was taking the money of other. He is the only person who was stealing money. So they all understood that he is the thief, and somehow he helped himself to escape from the hotel, or escape from the room, and escape from the village. In this way, the man, invisible man, Griffin, moved from that hotel or inn, and he saved his life. So in this way, we understood the lesson, and I hope it is very clear, and you will be comfortable to answer the question whichever is in the lesson. And if any question comes from the lesson, you will be able to answer the question. With this hope, I would like to complete the lesson. Thank you very much.